Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today is day 14 of our road trip.
So the plan for the day is to start from Jammu and reach Jaipur in the evening. So it's a distance of around 800 plus kilometers, which would take us around 13 hours of driving. So looking forward to that drive. Today is going to be all driving
Travel
on the highways. So come and join us in this journey.
Be with us.
So we have started our journey from Jammu towards Jaipur, and the temperatures are back. The heat is back. It's 41 degrees centigrade here. So it's a big change from the cold weather we experienced in Ladakh, and now back to heat on the way to Jaipur.
And we are back to our normal clothing from the winter clothing.
Yeah, all the winter clothes have gone inside, and the summer clothes have come out. So it's going to be hot weather from now on till we reach Bangalore. So yeah,
Maybe Pune is again going to...
I'm not sure. I think it's gonna be quite, not very hot, but it will definitely be in the 30 degrees centigrade range.
We were spoiled for choice today.
Yeah, it was a good spread we had available for breakfast. So yeah, after 10-12 days, I think we are having this kind of lavish breakfast. So we have filled ourselves with enough of
Fuel.
fuel for the entire day. So I think we'll only have something late in the evening now.
We are passing by Punjab and the temperature is very high here. It's 45 degrees. We see this community here has set up langars to serve people with snacks and sharbat, a noble gesture to the society.
We have seen this all along the route here in Punjab. So I think it's really a noble gesture from the community here.
So it's 4 in the evening and we have stopped for our lunch and we are back at Haveli. Can't pass by Punjab without stopping at Haveli. The best place to have some authentic Punjabi food.
we have to take a diversion from the highway. I'm not sure what is the reason. So we are going through this detour here.
We're going through some village.
Some village and trying to join the highway again. So it's an
Off-roading again.
unexpected off-roading again. Somewhere just before Ambala. So the villagers said this road would lead us to the highway again, and I can see a lot of vehicles moving on this road. So I'm sure
We are on the right
we are on the right track and should be touching the highway again somewhere ahead. But yeah, it's an unexpected detour which is giving us a view of the village and the fields here right up close. And this is truly serious off-roading. We are going under this bridge, under construction bridge here. So we are nearing Delhi now, and we'll take the diversion to go towards Jaipur. So we should get that diversion shortly, and then we'll take the Delhi-Jaipur Expressway. So it will take around 4 more hours for us to reach Jaipur from here. That's because the roads are pretty good, and it's around 300 kilometers from here. So it should take around 4.5 hours for us to reach Jaipur from here. We have entered the expressway on our way to Jaipur now. So finally, after a long drive, we have reached Jaipur. So now proceeding towards the hotel for the night stay.
This is a glimpse of the Jaipur
The
city.
flyover has been lit up by lights which change colors, so it keeps changing its colors. So that looks quite beautiful. We had a long drive from Jammu to Jaipur, and it took us longer than expected because of some heavy traffic on the way. Finally, we have checked into the hotel here in Jaipur.
So let's call it a day. Please share, like, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.